Well, hello again. Welcome to Story Time with Teacher Katie. Today's story is going to be about The Owl and the Kitty Cat by Melissa Everett. The owl and the kitty cat went to sea in a bright green sailing boat. They took some toys and things to make noise, and they wrapped it all up in a coat. What would you bring on a boat? Look at Kitty Cat and Owl. The owl stared up to the stars in the sky and started to play his guitar. Look, Owl playing his guitar. Oh, lovely kitty, oh my, what a beautiful kitty you are. You are, what a beautiful kitty you are. Do you like to sing songs like Owl? Kitty said to the owl, "You elegant fowl, I love it whenever you sing. My husband-to-be, will you please marry me?" They're going to be married? He said, "But I haven't a ring." They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the doodle tree grows. What do you think a doodle tree looks like? And there in a wood, a giant bull stood with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Look at his ring on his nose. "Big bull, if I holler, will you sell for $1 your ring?" said the bull. "Yes, I will." So they took it away and were married next day by the kangaroo up on the hill. They got married by a kangaroo. They dined on peas and chocolate and cheese. I love chocolate. And ate apple pie with a spoon. And hand in hand, on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, they danced by the light of the moon. The end. See you next time.